Okay, another tutorial for you. This time it's how to make a tablet cover. You use your tablet, you leave 1 inch down each side, add an extra inch down each side, and 1.5 at the top. If you want to use 2 pieces of fabric, add an extra 1/2 inch seam at the bottom. You will also need some lining fabric, same size, and a little piece of fabric for the tab. What I've done is I've used 4 by 3.5 inches, but of course you're going to use yours to match the size of your tablet, and also a cam snap. Okay, we're going to start with sewing the tab first. Sew using just over 1/4 inch seam allowance. I use the width of the foot as a guide. Back stitch at the beginning and end. Then trim the excess fabric, clip round the corners and turn. Then over stitch round the edge. Once you've done that, use one side of your tablet cover, find the middle and make a mark, either pin or, and do the same for the tab. Place the two together and just stitch very close to the edge just to secure. Okay, next we're going to position the one of the snaps. Turn the cover over. Measure 2 inches from the top. But find the center first. So fold your fabric or mark the fabric to find the center. Then 2 inches from the top. Place a marker and then put your the one side of your snap. Okay, now fold the cover right sides together and sew down the long sides. Do the same for the lining, but leave a gap for turning down one of the sides. Okay, then trim the excess fabric. Turn the lining the right way round. Push out the corners very well. And place it inside the tablet cover, inside the main fabric. pin and then sew round using 1/2 inch seam allowance. Okay, then trim the excess fabric again so it's not too bulky when turning, and then using the gap turn the work round, pin the area, the hole left for the gap left for turning, and sew very close to the edge. By hand or by machine, always do mine by machine, it's quicker. Push the lining in, push out the corners well, and sew around the edge, over sew the very top edge. Okay, the next thing to do is to find where to place the other part of your snap. Just position it over the one already made, and then put the other half on, and that's it, it's done. Let me know how yours comes out.